From the Indian song, okay, then we have this Malay song.
Nice and lovely. He's saying a big hi and hello to everyone present tonight. Dr. Vivian, of course, is our Minister for Foreign Affairs, advisor to Holland Bukit Timah GRC Grassroots Organization, KSU. And of course, our lovely Mr. Liang Ing Hua, advisor to Bukit Panjang Grassroots Organizations. And of course, we also have Mr. Edward Chia. Mr. Edward is also here. He's our advisor to Holland Bukit Timah GRC Grassroots Organization. Thank you very much. Okay, beautiful lights, beautiful people present tonight. So right now, can I request all our friends, no matter where you are, if you hear my voice, let's show our respect for our nation, Singapore. Let's rise first for the singing of the national anthem, shall we? Come on, children. Come on, daddies and mommies, grandparents, everyone. Okay, children, be very careful, yeah? If you're very near the railings, be super careful, okay? I feel very, very worried. Can take a 2-step back, never mind, don't worry. Alright, if you have the mini flags in your hands, let's sing our national anthem with pride, and the national anthem. place our right fist across our chest, close to our heart. Together in one voice, let's recite our national pledge together, alright? We, the citizens of Singapore, pledge ourselves as one united people, regardless of race, language, or religion, to build a democratic society based on justice and equality, so as to achieve happiness, prosperity, and progress for our nation. Majulah! Singapore! Majulah! Happy birthday, Singapore! Please clap, make some noise. Right.
Opportunities for Singaporeans. We have the highest home ownership in Singapore, the number 2 anywhere near. So we have really good homes in Singapore. We have strong Singapore dollar, right? We love to shop in somewhere and then you get value for money. We have one of the highest life expectancy. Singaporeans are living longer and healthier each year, right? And then one of the important thing must mention is Singapore got the most powerful passport in the world, right? Thanks to Dr. Vivian and all the diplomacy, we get access to almost any country that we want.
There was a time when people said that Singapore won't make it, but we did. There was a time when trouble seemed too much for us to take, but we did.
My friends, on my right!
We built a nation strong and free, reaching out together for peace and harmony. This is my country,
Our Phuket
this is
Panchong,
my flag,
our Cashew,
this is my future,
our Chenma,
this is my life,
our Holland Bukit Timah
this is
GRC,
my family,
our
these
Singapore,
are my friends.
you and I,
We are
one united people always.
Singaporeans. Singapore, our homeland, it's here that we belong.
Yes, like the torchlight, flashlights, flashlights.
People marching on, we've come so far together, our common destiny. Singapore forever, a nation strong and free. This is my country,
Our country,
this is my flag,
our flag,
this is my future,
our future,
this is my life,
our lives,
this is my family,
your family,
these are my friends.
and mine. We are Singapore,
Singaporeans.
ready!
Citizens of Singapore, pledge yourselves as one united people, regardless of race, language or religion, to build a democratic society
a nation with our hands. The total people from a dozen lands. Strangers when we first began, now Singaporeans. Let's reach out for Singapore, join our hands forevermore.
Come on, sing!
One people, one nation, one Singapore. That's the way that we will be forevermore. Every creed and every race has its soul and has its place. One people, one nation, one Singapore. And when the time comes for the test, our vigilance will never rest. United hand in hand, show the world just where we stand, and reach out for Singapore, join our hands forevermore. One people, one nation, one Singapore. That's the way that we will be forevermore. Every creed and every race has its role and has its place. One people, one nation, one Singapore. One people, one nation, one Singapore. That's the way that we will be forevermore. Every creed and every race has its role and has its place. One people, one nation, one Singapore. One people, one nation, one
Wow, that's fantastic, isn't it? And we have friends, residents at the appointed and their balconies watching the fireworks together with us. Wow, 放好久哦，好过瘾哦。Super, let's Wow, super beautiful. Stand up for Singapore. Come on, take some pictures with your loved ones. Now, children, take some photo with your daddies and mummies now with the fireworks. Yes, come take photos with your family, with your friends. Come on. Wow, wow, wow! 一直放，一直放，一直放。Take photos. Stand up for Singapore. Wow, spectacular. Stand up for Singapore. Bukit Panjang, Bukit Panjang. Wow, the timing perfect, yeah. We got neighbors, friends, and their balconies watching this together with us as well. Come on, daddies and mommies, friends, we're going to take some family photos to capture this special and memorable moment for all of us. Not every day, got fireworks. Thank you.